Comes the train, guys. I get a horn. Get a horn. Six cars, and including the engine, I included one horn. Yeah, we got a horn show from him. So hey, he has a bell on. Is that rare? I don't know. While he's at the station, I don't know. Probably this show will come back. Well, train's about to leave. Sorry guys, here goes 7008. Going to the rail yard, not the High Bridge. They will announce that though, but probably this one will come back. I don't know. Probably, I don't know. So yeah.